Hey everybody, it's me again, the Bladed Brony, and I'm here to talk to you about switchblade or automatic knives. Now, as almost everyone knows, these are legal in most states and almost every other country I know of. My question is, why? Is this knife really any more dangerous than this knife? Now this is my CRKT M16. As you can tell, it's a very large knife and it's a manual folder. There's no springs, no buttons, no switches. Look how fast it comes out. Now this is an Italian stiletto from 1950. Are you seriously telling me that this knife is more dangerous just because it comes out of a different way? I mean, that's like pressing a button. They don't come out. Hell, if I'm correct, this thing, my CRKT, seems to come out way faster. And also, look at the blades. Which one do you think is more dangerous? This little dagger bayonet point, or this gigantic freaking Tonto blade? I mean, look how much thicker that thing is. That thing's almost 3 times bigger than the... Just look. It's longer and it's wider. So, why is this illegal and these are? It just doesn't make any sense to me. That's one of the good things about living in my state, where switchblades, ballast songs, OTFs, anything I really want is legal. So, I'm not saying anything against Kansas laws, but against almost every other country I've seen. Well, pretty much against the other state laws I've seen where this is illegal and this is legal. Because it's not based on facts. It's not based on, ooh, this thing is more dangerous. It's based on fear. For some reason, that seems to scare people. Why? If you have any clue or have any opinions on this matter, please leave it down in the comment section below. And, well, I'll see y'all next time. This is the Bladed Brony signing out. Bye.